Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage food. First, select a fresh, firm cabbage head, ideally weighing around 2 pounds. Carefully remove any loose or damaged outer leaves. Next, rinse the entire cabbage under cool, running water to ensure it's clean. Then, cut the cabbage into quarters and carefully remove the tough, fibrous core from each section. This preparation is crucial for even cooking and better texture in your final dish. Once prepped, you have several easy cooking options. For a quick side, sauté shredded cabbage in a large pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil until tender crisp. Alternatively, boil cabbage wedges in lightly salted water for about 5 to 7 minutes until they reach your desired tenderness. Roasting offers a different flavor. Toss pieces with oil and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Steaming chopped cabbage for 8 to 10 minutes also works wonderfully. Now, let's talk about enhancing those flavors. A half teaspoon of caraway seeds adds a wonderful earthy depth, especially when sautéing. For a bright, tangy finish, drizzle 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar over your cooked cabbage. If you enjoy a richer taste, incorporate 1/4 cup of crispy chopped bacon or pancetta. Don't forget the basics. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Cooked cabbage is incredibly versatile. Serve it simply as a healthy side dish alongside roasted chicken or pork. You can also mix it with egg noodles for a comforting and easy main course. For those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. Remember, any leftover cooked cabbage can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making meal prep a breeze.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.